Good afternoon, everyone. This is Rajat Sharma once again from GCET Jammu. Now I prepared my second assignment on application of seismic load on tall buildings. That is assignment number 2. For this, now I have made my assignment final and I will show you how to make this assignment. First of all, we have to apply a seismic load. For that, first of all, we have to unlock this model. When we do a run analysis, this model will automatically log. No changes can be done after that. So for that, you have to first unlock this model. Now you have to define the load. Which load you want to put now? We want to put seismic load. For that, we have to do, first of all, go to define, then click on load patterns. Now you have to do what, like first we add live load, wind load, dead load. Now we will add seismic load. Add new load, add seismic load, and then after adding seismic load, modify that load according to the question. Seismic zone factor value, cell type, importance factor. Top story is our story 23 and bottom story is base. Okay, then select OK. After that, when seismic load is applied, now we have to make a response spectrum. Then we will define load combinations. Then we have to go to define load cases. In load cases, we have to add a response spectrum. How we add it? Add new case and select a response spectrum. Like I added already response spectrum and acceleration values according to the questions and select OK. After all this, select OK again. Now we have to analyze what we have done. Click on analyze button, set load cases to run. We already made dead load and live load in previous assignment. Now we have to make for seismic and response spectrum. Click on this seismic and response spectrum, which you have to close. You have to select that and select this option, run or do not run. Again, live load also do not run. After selecting all these model, seismic and response spectrum, what we will do? We will run it now. Run now. It will take time and automatically show your model total detail. It is actually going on. Creating analysis model, story, it will take time. Then automatically you will show the displacements of your figures. Wait. This is going on. Completed. Now refreshing window. Analyzing. Like now we run the program, this is automatically logged. You have to unlock it for again. Now this is automatically logged. Now we can check the displacement of any part, just pointing the cursor there. Just move the cursor over there and you will get the detail, which you at any point from where you want the data, just click on the right cursor, you will get all this data. Now we have to check. We will go on display, story response plot. This is our one. Select this maximum story drifts. Now what we have to do? Case model, which we have to do it for seismic. First select seismic, then you will get these graphs. Red one is on y-axis and blue one is for x-axis. Again, if you want to check for response spectrum, click on response spectrum. This graph will show. This is maximum story drift. Now maximum story displacement, this click on maximum story displacement, you will get this. This is the second assignment which I prepared. Thank you.